Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nailers for siding that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Freeman PCN65 Pneumatic 15-degree coil siding nailer. This is the most budget-friendly option in our lineup, but don't let the price fool you. It offers solid performance for DIYers and occasional users. It's designed for a variety of applications, including siding, fencing, and even roof sheathing. The one-piece hardened steel drive blade and anodized aluminum cylinder give this nailer surprising durability for the price. Plus, the Firelock and No-Mar tip adds safety and precision to your projects. The Freeman PCN65 features a lightweight design at just 5.5 pounds, and its comfort grip handle makes it easier to work with for extended periods. The transparent nail bucket is another nice touch, letting you see when you're running low on fasteners. Performance-wise, it supports 15-degree plastic and wire-collated nails ranging from 1¼ inches to 2½ inches, making it versatile for various materials. However, it's worth noting that it doesn't provide the same refinement or advanced features as higher-end models, such as ultra-precise depth control. The biggest draw here is the value for the price. It's an excellent starter tool for homeowners tackling smaller projects. That said, professionals or those working on larger-scale siding installations may find it lacking in power and consistency. For under $180, though, you're getting a solid, reliable tool with a 7-year limited warranty. Pros: very affordable, durable build, and beginner-friendly. Cons: limited advanced features and not ideal for heavy workloads. At number 4, we have the Metabo HPT NV65AH2 coil siding nailer. This tool offers a fantastic balance of power and precision, making it a popular choice for contractors and serious DIYers alike. It's compatible with both 15-degree plastic collated nails and 16-degree wire collated nails, giving you plenty of flexibility for different siding, sheathing, and fencing tasks. The No-Mar nose cap ensures your materials stay free of accidental marks during use. And the toolless depth adjustment allows for quick changes on the fly. Design-wise, the NV65AH2 is lightweight at 4.8 pounds, which helps reduce fatigue during long work sessions. The side-load magazine is user-friendly, making reloads fast and efficient, something you'll appreciate when working on larger projects. This nailer also includes a plastic shield to deflect wire collation and an adjustable air deflector to control the exhaust direction. While it's priced higher than entry-level options, the professional-grade build quality and Metabo HPT's 5-year warranty make it worth the investment. In terms of drawbacks, this model may not be ideal for those with tighter budgets, and the learning curve for its sequential contact nailing switch can be a bit steep for first-time users. Still, for its reliability and versatility, the NV65AH2 is a strong contender for anyone seeking a mid-range siding nailer. Pros: lightweight, flexible with nail types, and excellent build quality. Cons: higher price and slightly less beginner-friendly. Coming in at number 3 is the Metabo HPT NV75A5 Siding Light Framing Coil Nailer. This is a versatile tool that marries the power needed for light framing with the precision required for siding. It supports 16-degree wire coil nails from 1'3" to 3 inches and 15-degree plastic collated nails up to 2 1/4. With a side-load, tilt-bottom magazine, reloading fasteners is quick and seamless. This model also offers selective actuation, allowing you to switch between sequential and contact nailing modes with ease. Performance-wise, the NV75A5 delivers consistent results, whether you're working on siding, decking, or framing. Its toolless depth adjustment is intuitive, making it easy to achieve flush or countersink nailing. However, at 7.91 pounds, it's a bit heavier than other models, which could cause fatigue during extended use. On the plus side, the No-Mar nose cap and adjustable air deflector ensure clean and precise results without damaging your materials. Priced at just over $280, This nailer strikes a great balance between affordability and professional-grade performance. It's ideal for contractors or seasoned DIYers who need a tool that can handle diverse applications. Pros: versatile, powerful, and excellent for light framing. Cons: heavier design and slightly higher vibration during use. In the runner-up spot, we have the Bostitch N66C coil siding nailer. This tool is a favorite among professionals for its lightweight aluminum design and reliable performance. It can handle both wire weld and plastic inserted coil nails ranging from 1 1/4 inches to 2.5 inches. The adjustable depth guide is a standout feature, ensuring precise nail placement every time. Plus, the soft rubber foot makes it perfect for working with softer woods, as it prevents surface damage. At just 4.08 pounds, the N66C is the lightest nailer on this list, making it an excellent option for long hours on the job. The tool-free adjustable exhaust is another user-friendly feature, allowing you to direct air away from your face. While it may not have the advanced firing modes of higher-end models, its simplicity and ease of use make it a go-to for siding and fencing projects. Priced at $252.25, the N66C offers excellent value for its performance. It's especially well-suited for professionals who prioritize ergonomics and durability. Pros: extremely lightweight, durable design, and precise depth adjustment. Cons: fewer advanced features and less suitable for heavy-duty framing. Taking the top spot on our list is the Makita AN613 Pneumatic 15-degree siding coil nailer. This premium tool is engineered for precision and performance, making it the ultimate choice for professionals. With a powerful motor and trigger design, it offers industry-leading fastening performance. The standout feature here is the toolless depth adjustment with 9 detent settings, allowing for precise, flush, or countersink nailing. The 2-mode selector switch provides flexibility between sequential and contact nailing modes. The Makita AN613 is built to last, with a robust aluminum housing and a smooth nose tip that prevents scratching. Despite weighing 4.84 pounds, it feels well-balanced and comfortable to use. It supports both wire and plastic collated nails, making it versatile for various siding applications. Additionally, the included air fitting and safety glasses are thoughtful touches that add to its overall value. At $429, this is the most expensive option on our list, but you're paying for premium quality and durability. Whether you're a contractor or a serious DIY enthusiast, the Makita AN613 delivers unmatched precision and reliability. Pros: exceptional build quality, advanced depth adjustment, and versatile nailing options. Cons: high price point and slightly heavier than some competitors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.